Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So we need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we need to simplify negative number 6 after we do first the derivative. So this one with the s we change for the u, so we just have only the u over number 7, and we have u over number 7 about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.